Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting session with Trisha ma'am. So children, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do it right now because we are coming up with beautiful content for preschoolers. So in today's class, we are going to learn the Jolly Phonics group 2 letter sounds. So let's begin. If you are planning to join your child for the online preschool classes or the Jolly Phonic classes or math classes, we have given the details here on the screen. Kindly get in touch with us. So let's begin. So children, as we all know, the group 1 phonic sounds are S, A, T, I, P, N. I already made a video on the group 1 sounds. So in today's class, we are going to learn about the group 2 phonic sounds. And what are they? Tell me the name of this letter, children. Letter C, letter K, letter E, letter H, letter R, letter M and letter D belongs to group 2 phonic sounds in Jolly Phonics. In Jolly Phonics, we have 7 groups and each group has 7 sounds. So can you tell me total how many sounds we have? 42 sounds. Letter C makes the sound K, K, K. Letter K also makes the same sound just like letter C, K, 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 K. Then we have letter E. Letter E makes the sound E, E. Letter H makes the sound H, H. Letter R makes the sound R. Letter M makes the sound M. Letter D makes the sound D, 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 D. So let's go letter by letter. So first we have letter C, K in group 2. Both the letters makes the same sound K, 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 K. We are clicking castanets K, 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 K. We are clicking castanets K, 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 K. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets. K, 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 K. Okay children, this is the action for the K, K, C, K, K sound. Now, the next letter we have letter K, which also makes the same sound just like letter C. Kites are flying in the sky. K, K, K. Pretend as if you are flying a kite in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. K, 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 K. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. K, 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 K. Alright children. So this is the rhyme and the action for the letter CK, which makes the sound. Yes. K, K, K. So let's look at some words with the same sound. K as in cat, K as in kit, K as in cup, sack, pack, kick. What is the ending sound here children? K. So when you hear the sound K at the end, you have to write both C and K together. But when you hear the sound K in the beginning of the sound, you have to write either C or K. Okay. Next letter is letter E. And what is the sound of letter E children? E. 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 So let's learn the rhyme for letter E. Eggs in the pan. E, e, e. Eggs in the pan. E, e, e. Eggs in the pan. E, e, e. Crack the eggs like this. E. You have to pretend as if you are cracking the eggs in a pan, just like this. Eh, eh, eh. Come on children, do it along with me. Eh, 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 eh. Very good. Now let's look at some words with the same sound. S, t, set, t, n, ten, est, rest. Okay, children. Next, we have the letter. Which letter is this, children? Letter H. Very good. Now, let's learn the rhyme first before we get into some words. Everybody, stand up from your places, children, now. I like to hop, hop, hop. Come on, start hopping, everybody. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Aren't you panting, children? That's the action for the letter H. As if you're really tired of jumping. How the hair comes from your mouth. Put your hand across your mouth and feel the air. That's the sound for letter H. So let's look at some words. It's not ha, it's okay, children? Get the sound right. As in and, hand, ape, hip, at, hat. Alright, children? Let's move on to the next letter. Which letter is this? Not the letter sound, the letter name. This is letter R. Letter R. And what is the action and rhyme for this letter R? See my puppy lick the rag. Rrr, rrr. See my puppy lick the rag when it pulls so hard. So what is the action? You have to pretend as if your little puppy is rigging the rag with her teeth. Rrr, rrr. Nodding your head side to side just like this. Rrr. Pretend to be a puppy now. Rrr, rrr. Wow, that's so lovely. So children, this is the action for letter R, and R makes rrr, rrr, rrr sound. So now let's look at some words starting with letter R. Rest, rent, rat. Alright, children. Now what is the next letter we have? Can anybody help me? Which letter is this? This is letter M. M. And M makes the sound Now let's get into the rhyme and the action. Mom and Dad make many meals. Mom and Dad make many meals for their hungry children. When you see some yummy food, what is the sound that we hear? Rub your hand on your tummy just like this and say, yummy food. This is the action for the letter M. It's not ma, it's app, map, int, as in mint, ist, as in mist. Remember children, if you get the phonic sound right, it will be very easy for you to learn to blend. Where it is difficult for you is when you learn all the sounds wrong. For example, if you have learnt the sound as ma, then what will you read here? Ma, ista? That's wrong. So you have to make the sounds, produce the sounds correctly, which will end up in the right word. Just like ist. Yes children, that forms the word mist. Now what is the last sound we have in the group 2? It's the letter D making the sound D, 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 as if you're playing drums. So let's look at the rhyme first. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. Oh wow! Can you guess what is the action in this rhyme, children? Da 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 da, as if you are playing drums. Yes, let's all pretend to play drums now. Let's start. Da 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 da. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. Wow, that's so lovely. So let's look at some words starting with letter D and also ending in letter D. So this is d, dad. Oh wow, that's so easy. Aid, hate. Next we have d, C and K makes the single sound k. C and K together makes the single sound k, as in deck. Alright children, so wasn't it easy to learn phonics along with me?